Ever wondered how solar actually powers your home? It's not magic, it's just really clever science. In this video, I'll show you exactly how a modern solar system works and what to look for when you're getting your own setup. Hi, I'm Jonathan Green from green.com.au, the best solar battery installer in the universe. If you're new to solar, this video will help you understand how solar systems actually power your home. It all starts on your roof. When sunlight hits your solar panels, tiny particles of light, called photons, knock electrons loose inside the solar cells. That movement creates electricity known as DC power, or direct current. This is called the photovoltaic effect. Basically, your panels are converting sunshine into electricity using silicon cells. No moving parts, no noise, no magic, just physics doing its thing. Now here's where things get interesting. Your home can't actually use DC power. Everything you've got plugged in, the lights, the fridge, the aircon, all run on AC power or alternating current. That's where your inverter steps in. It takes the DC electricity from your panels and converts it into 230 volt AC power, ready for your home to use instantly. Think of it like this. Your solar panels and your power points speak completely different languages, and your inverter is the translator, making sure everyone gets along. Once the inverter's done its job, the electricity flows through your switchboard, basically the control center for your home's power. Here's the important part. Your solar power always goes to your appliances first. Whatever your panels produce, your home uses right away. That's what we call self-consumption. Most Aussie households self-consume about 30 to 50% of their solar energy, depending on how much they use during the day. If you work from home or you run appliances during the daylight hours, your self-consumption can be even higher. So what happens if your solar is pumping out more power than you're using? Without a battery, the extra electricity gets sent back into the grid, and your energy retailer pays you a feed-in tariff. These days, it's usually around 1 to 3 cents per kilowatt hour. If you do have a battery, your system will charge it first. Then, once the battery's full, any leftover energy heads off to the grid. When the sun's gone, your battery steps in, so you're not buying power at 10 to 50 times the price. That's where batteries really shine. And finally, modern solar systems are seriously smart. All systems come with apps that show exactly how much power your panels are generating. And good systems can show you how much energy your home is using and how much you're exporting, all in real time. At green.com.au, every system we install includes full monitoring, so you can actually see your savings instead of guessing them. It's like having a little energy dashboard for your home. And that's it. From sunlight on your roof to power in your home, modern solar systems are smarter, more efficient, and easier to track than ever before. If you'd like to see what solar could look like for your home or how much you could save, click on the link in the description for a free quote. And if you want to keep learning, check out our video on how home batteries work and why they're worth it.